Welcome! If you've ever opened a Discord DM from a friend and found an image you wish had been blurred first, you're not alone. Discord now gives you the power to automatically blur images in direct messages from friends, right from your mobile device. Whether you want a little extra privacy or just prefer not to see every image at first glance, this updated feature is easy to set up. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main screen. Next, tap your profile picture, which you'll find in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up your user settings. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Content and Social. Tap on it to access more detailed settings for your Discord experience. Inside the Content and Social menu, look for the section called Direct Messages from Friends. This is where you can manage how media from your friends appears in your DMS. Now, select the Blur option. Once you've chosen this setting, Discord will automatically blur any media that might be sensitive in your direct messages from friends. This includes both new and historic images, so you'll always have an extra layer of protection when checking your DMS. If you ever want to view a blurred image, just tap the eye icon on the image itself. This will reveal the image, and you can always tap the icon again to re-blur it if you change your mind. This feature is especially useful for teens and anyone who prefers a little more control over what pops up in their messages. It's also worth noting that you can report any media you think was incorrectly blurred or not blurred, helping Discord improve its sensitive content filters for everyone. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've set up Discord to blur images and DMs from friends on mobile. Stay safe, stay in control, and enjoy your Discord chats with peace of mind.